Good morning dear students. We were studying lesson number 6, digestive system. So today we are going to study about teeth. As we already studied that the digestion starts in the mouth itself and teeth plays a main part in it as they grind and chew the food. So today we will discuss about teeth. Teeth are mainly of two types. First is milk teeth and another one is permanent teeth. When a child is young, means he is of just 6 months old, he start growing teeth, and by the age of 5 he has around 20 milk teeth. At the age of 5 or 6 these milk teeth start falling and new teeth replaces them. These teeth are called permanent teeth. So there are two types of teeth, temporary or milk teeth. They are up to 0 to 5 years of age, and then we have permanent teeth. Now we will discuss about the parts of a tooth. As you can see here, there is a picture of a tooth. The tooth has two main parts. The upper part which is visible is crown, and the lower part which is embedded deep in our gums is called root. This is enamel, the topmost layer of teeth which is visible to us. The outermost part of the teeth is enamel. It is white in color and has a shiny texture. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. See, this is enamel. You can see my teeth, and this white thing is enamel. It is the hardest thing in our body, and enamel protects the inner part of the teeth. Below enamel there is dentine. Spelling of dentine is D-E-N-T-I-N-E and somewhere it is D-E-N-T-I-N. Both are correct. So, but we have to pronounce it as dentine. So, dentine is below enamel and it protects the inner pulp. Inner pulp is that part of the teeth which has capillaries and blood vessels connected. These blood vessels are connected to nerves and they send message to our brain immediately. These are gums. The pink color structure that holds our teeth firmly is gum. So there are, I'm again repeating, enamel, this is the top layer and it is the hardest substance of our body. Below it there is dentine. Dentine is the second most layer and it protects the inner pulp. Inner pulp is soft and contains nerve endings. And it also has blood vessels and nerves. So these all part consist of tooth. Now let us discuss the type of human teeth. There are 4 types of teeth in human. First is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. There are 4 types of teeth. Incisors, they are also known as cutting teeth. Incisors, the front 4 teeth of upper jaw and lower jaw, they are incisors. They are sharp and chisel shaped. They are used for cutting the food. Beside incisors, there are 2 tearing teeth and they are canines. Canines are also called tearing teeth. They are 2 in upper jaws and 2 in lower jaws. As you can see here in the picture, they are pointed at the top because they are used to tear the food. Dogs and lions, etc., the animals which are carnivores, they have very sharp canines. Sometimes dogs are also called canines because they have very strong canines. Next to canines, there are premolars. Premolars are also called crushing teeth. They are used to crush the food and they are 8 in number, 4 on the upper jaw and 4 on the lower jaw. They are bigger in size and they are very strong. Besides premolars, there are molars, and molars are 12 in number, 6 on the upper jaw and 6 on the lower jaw, and they are the strongest teeth. They are having hard base and wide base. As you can see here, this is a molar and it has ridges on the top. It is used to grind the teeth, so they are also termed as grinding teeth. So this is all about our teeth. I am repeating it once again. In human beings, there are 32 permanent teeth. 8 are incisors, 4 are canines, 8 are premolars, and 12 are molars. If we add them, we can get a sum of 32. So, adult human being have 32 permanent teeth.